Welcome to Module 4. In this module, we will review how to add and edit additional student information to the IEP. After clicking the IEP Writer tab at the top of your screen, click on the Find an IEP button in the left-hand menu. Select your school from the drop-down menu and then find the student for whom you are going to be editing the IEP. Click on their name and then in the left-hand menu, click on Page 1 Summary. This will generate some of the tombstone data that has been fed into the IEP from PowerSchool. Have a look at that tombstone data and review it for accuracy. Below the tombstone data, you're going to see a number of boxes. Included are the reasons for developing an IEP, the IEP development team, the health support services, and the sources consulted in developing the IEP. Individualized equipment and SIA equipment will be reviewed in a different module. First, to access the drop-down menu under Reasons for Developing an IEP, this is a single click. Simply click inside the box and select one of the three options there. Then you must click Copy to Document. It will now appear in the box. Under the IEP Development Team heading, click on the first gray bar. This should generate a few drop-down menus from where you can select the name of the staff member involved in the IEP development team. Copy this to the IEP. You may go ahead and select each one of these gray or white bars to add a different staff member. Make sure to copy to IEP each time. This would be a good point to save your IEP in the left-hand menu, just to make sure you don't lose any of the changes that you've made. After recording the members of the IEP development team, enter the Health Support Services text box, make the relevant selections for your student, and copy those to document. It's important to note here that should you need to add manually anything additional to what is provided in the drop-down menu, you can do so. Copy to document. The last box we'll look at is the sources consulted in the development of the IEP. Again, click into that white box and you can select the sources that are relevant to your student. Note that if you want to add something that isn't actually in the selection menu, you can go ahead and do that manually in the text box that's generated. Always remember to copy to document, click Save, and when you're done doing those fields, click Exit.